Yuma, and welcome to AoR Gaming. The election's over, so I figured I may as well get back into making some content, and I thought, let's do something easy and build the Millennium Sarcophagus. Now with my Millennium Puzzle all complete, don't want to lose the pieces, so I guess it's time to open this up and put something together so we can keep it all together, I guess. Cool little box here. Much smaller than the Millennium Puzzle, but still exciting to open up, so let's give this a crack. Excellent, what have we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, plus the instruction manual, so that's going to be good. Let's have a look, so don't make it too difficult. Of course, no glue or anything required, but you're definitely going to need your nippers. Same as last time, get your nippers. Got them from the Canberra hobby store. Still, good little company to get them from. Not too expensive. So, link in the description there below, or just check out my last video. So let's get these open. Oh, so much single-use plastic. Fortunately, you can put into the red cycle. There we go, okay. We've got our pieces out. There's even more now, double-sided. Obviously, hopefully this is gonna feel thicker once they're all together. But just looking at it, it's gonna be much easier than the Millennium Puzzle to put together, both in terms of pieces and just in general construction. So let's open the instructions and go from there. As you can see, all put together nice and easy. So 1A, where's A? A1, the important piece. A2, lost it. You'd think after doing one of these before I'd have some idea of what I'm doing, but no. I don't know if these are for anything. I'll keep them for now. Okay. Where's the other bit that I just cut? Oh, I haven't cut anything off yet. Okay, leave that there. We'll do this one. Excellent. Sweet. So A1 and A2. Getting together. Happened with pieces in the last one. I'm sure there are model makers out there having a heart attack once again. First piece done. Nice and easy. Now it's same for B1 and B2. What do these hieroglyphs actually say anything, or if they're just mock-ups of hieroglyphs? If anyone knows, put them in the comments below so I can find out. And if you have a translation, that would be even better. Hey, where we go? Same deal. We'll go from the back. It'll be easier. Line them up. One. Oh, I hope I haven't broken anything there. Oh no! Or was that a pore or is that a crack? I don't know. Oh no. That's a pore, not a crack. Hopefully, I don't know if you can see it. There's a big line. Yeah, big line through there. Doesn't feel like a crack, so that's something. Cool. Second piece done. Another piece. What's next? They condensed the instructions so much that I didn't realize what was going on. That's alright. Easily fixed. I do wonder if these bits are going to be for anything. This is the cool bit. Okay. Ugh. And there's probably people out there who's probably scanned this thing and then made 3D printer parts for it. Snap, 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 into place. Go. Next bit. This is so much easier than the first one that I did. Mind you, a box is not as complicated as a puzzle, which is what you'd hope. Tidy that up. So it looks like I didn't crack the last one because it's also got the same little mark in it. Focuses, come on. Ah, the snapping makes me a bit nervous. Once again, these little nubs just get in the way. There we go. Cool. So now we've got to attach all the pieces together. Right, this is going to be the fun bit. Oh, I see. Yep. No, that's logical. And I don't know if you can see it there, but through there like that. Maybe holding it awkwardly like this isn't the best method. And the last one. Oh yeah, this ain't gonna work. There we go. Okay. There we go, that's what I want. And the last one. There. Last bit's done. In. Squeeze it in. Oh, this is so much easier than the last one. Now, so it's got its shape like a box, like that's what you want. It's got its shape, but you can still see through it. So we're not quite there. Oh look, these bits are in colour. D1? D1. Give it. There we go. D2. Sweet. Okay, how's this? Goes on the underside. Oh yeah, that makes sense. That. Bloop. There's not much wiggle room or room for error, I guess. Cool. It's the base. So logic will say this is the lid. Yeah. And the lid. Same deal with that. Flip it and close it. And done. So these are for the corners. Apparently this is meant to go. Oh yeah. Oh, be careful. Oh, I should put the base on first. That makes sense. That'll keep its shape. There we go. In you pop, come on. There we go. Look at that. Done. Okay, now I can finish putting the sides on without it losing shape. There we go. This one in. As well. Done. And then we put the lid on. Just like that. It's finished. Done and dusted. Nice and simple. Easy. Yeah. Much easier. And I was actually able to complete it in one video. Look at that. It's rather cool. I don't want to break this up because it was very hard to solve, but it kind of fits. If I do that, there you go. But yeah, there you go. We have the Millennium Puzzle and the Millennium Sarcophagus now, all together in one. So that's, yeah, pretty cool. I'm happy with that. I'm going to have this on Pride and display. And obviously this is already on display. Now, I was surprised at how easy this was to build. Well, I shouldn't be that surprised. It is only a box, but it was definitely easier than the Millennium Puzzle. The pieces weren't so complicated. It was all just 1, 2, 3, 4, basically. It all fits together. It's got a good, nice, solid build to it. Got a good, solid chunk knock to it. I think I need to rebuild my Millennium Puzzle. I pulled some pieces out and sort of hammered it back together. So I think it'll be better if I, yeah, maybe pull it apart and sit in the box that it's meant to be in. But yeah, that's the Millennium Sarcophagus. I have some bits here, so I might put that at the front, I think. But yeah, overall, this is a pretty good little piece of Yu-Gi-Oh! Memorabilia that you get to build yourself. And I guess the idea of it being made out of plastic, it really is a Millennium Sarcophagus, because it'll outlive me for several thousand years. So if you've enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and share. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button.